friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee. At the outset, I would like to request all the students viewing my channel to note the problem in your notebook before you start. And today I will discuss a problem on departmental accounting.
A firm has two departments, sawmill and furniture. Furniture is made with wood supplied by the sawmill department at its usual selling price. From the following figures, prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year 2019. Sawmill furniture. Opening stock on 1st January 2019, 1,50,000, 25,000. Sales 11 lakh and 2,25,000. Purchases 10 lakh 7,500. Supplied to furniture department 1,50,000 nil. Selling expenses 10,000 and 3,000. Wages nil 30,000. Stock on 31st December 2019 1 lakh and 30,000. The value of stock in the furniture department consists of 75% wood and 25% other expenses. The sawmill department earned a gross profit of 15% in 2018. General expenses of the business as a whole came to rupees 55,000. So in the books of a firm, departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019, sawmill furniture and department. So these are the two departments. So opening stock, so two opening stock, this is 1,50,000 and 25,000 for furniture. The next item is your sales. So buy sales 11 lakh and 2,25,000. Next item is purchase. So purchase is 10 lakh and 7,500. Next is the transfer, interdepartmental transfer. So by transfer, so 1,50,000 credit side of sawmill and to transfer, this will be debited in the furniture account 1,50,000. Next is your selling expense. So selling expense is a part of your PL account. So to selling expenses 10,000 and 3,000. Next is wages. So wages is only for furniture department 30,000, and thereafter it is the closing stock. So buy closing stock 10,000, 1 lakh and 30,000. So 1 lakh is the closing stock of sawmill department and 30,000 the closing stock of the furniture department. So the gross profit we have calculated at 2 lakh and 42,500. So both side total will be 13,50,000 and 2,55,000. So 13,50,000 and 2,55,000. Now by GP BD, this is 2 lakh and 42,500. And the net profit of the sawmill department is 1,90,000 and 39,500, and both side total will be 2 lakh and 42,500. Next is your general profit and loss account. So general PL account. So by departmental net profit for sawmill, this is 1,90,000 and furniture is 39,500, and general expense is 55,000. So we will calculate the stock reserve in opening stock and closing stock. First, we have to calculate the gross profit rate of the sawmill department in 2018. So, it is given at 15%, and the gross profit rate of sawmill in 2019 we have to calculate. 2 lakh is the gross profit of the sawmill department divided by the total sale. So 11 lakh is the outside sale and 1,50,000 is the sale to the furniture department. So it is calculated at 16%. So stock reserve in opening stock, this is 25,000 is the value of opening stock of furniture department into 75%, that consists of the amount that has been transferred from the sawmill. So 75% of this closing stock is for the sawmill department. So the amount, the goods that has been transferred by the sawmill department, it consists of 75%. So 75,000 into 75% into 15%. So 15% is the GP rate for the last year, so which is given at 15%. So 2812 is the stock reserve that is there in your opening stock, and the stock reserve in closing stock. So 30,000 is the closing stock of the furniture department, 75% is the amount of goods which constitutes for the sawmill department, and 16% is the GP rate, so 3,600. So I will put these values, the stock reserve in opening stock and closing stock in general PL account. So to stock reserve in the opening stock, this is the closing stock, this is 3,600. The closing stock is shown on the credit side. So on the credit side, this is 30,000. So the stock reserve will be on the debit side, and the stock reserve for opening stock is 2812.50. And this is your general net profit. This is 1,73,712.50. 2,32,312.50. 2,32,312.50 is the both side total. And this is the departmental trading and profit and loss account in one screen.
You have understood the problem, and students who are viewing my channel, I would like to request them to subscribe my channel to get regular updates and to see the playlist section of the channel to see the videos that I have uploaded there. Thank you.